Breville Juice Fountain Cold Plus Review. Is it worth $299.95? Well folks, it seems we find ourselves standing at the precipice of yet another culinary conundrum. Today's subject, the Breville Juice Fountain Cold Plus, model number BJE 530 BSS 1 Bus 1, a mouthful to be sure, but then again, it promises to deliver a mouthful of flavor as well. At a cool $299.95, this countertop companion claims to turn everyday fruits and vegetables into liquid gold, but is it all hype? Or is there substance behind the sleek stainless steel facade? We're gonna break down this bad boy piece by piece, examining its features, its flaws, and everything in between. We'll even hear from a real-life user, someone who's put this juice-slinging machine through its paces. Because here's the thing about kitchen gadgets, they can be shiny objects of temptation, promising to revolutionize your relationship with food, but the proof, as they say, is in the pulpless, vitamin-packed pudding. Now before we fire up this juice fountain, let's take a look at the numbers. With a respectable 4.6 out of 5-star rating from 75 reviews, it seems like the folks who've invited this appliance into their homes are generally pleased with its performance. But is it right for you? Well, stick around and by the end of this video you'll have all the information you need to make an informed decision. Key features. A closer look at the Breville Juice Fountain Cold Plus. Alright, let's get down to brass tacks, or should I say, brushed stainless steel. Because that's the first thing you'll notice about this machine. It's got that industrial chic aesthetic that screams, I mean business, but in a refined, I also appreciate good design kind of way. But this ain't no museum piece, folks. This is a workhorse, and its beauty is more than skin deep. First and foremost, we've got the cold spin technology. Now this is crucial because it means the juice is extracted with minimal heat, preserving those precious enzymes and nutrients that tend to get lost in the heat of the moment, so to speak. Plus, it results in a smoother, less oxidized juice, which translates to a more vibrant color and a fresher taste. Nobody wants a mouthful of brown, right? And speaking of mouthfuls, this baby boasts a hefty capacity, with a large feeding chute that can accommodate whole fruits and vegetables. That's right, no more pre-chopping your carrots into oblivion. This thing is ready to rumble with whatever produce you throw its way. But wait, there's more. We've got multiple speed settings allowing you to fine-tune the extraction process based on the ingredients at hand. Soft fruits like berries, low and slow, leafy greens, crank it up to 11. Okay, maybe not 11, but you get the idea. And to top it all off, the Breville Juice Fountain Cold Plus comes equipped with a seal and store juice jug. This means you can whip up a batch of your favorite elixir and keep it fresh in the fridge for up to 72 hours. That's 3 whole days of vitamin-packed goodness, folks. Now I know what you're thinking. Alton, this all sounds too good to be true, and you're right to be skeptical. That's why we're going to delve deeper into the pros and cons of this machine so you can decide if it's the right fit for your culinary arsenal. The upsides of juicing with the Breville Juice Fountain Cold Plus. Okay, let's talk about the good stuff, the things that make this juicer stand out from the crowd. First and foremost, it's efficient. We're talking about maximum juice extraction with minimal waste. You'll be amazed at how dry the pulp is, a testament to the powerful motor and well-designed auger system. And speaking of the motor, this thing is a beast. It can handle even the toughest fruits and vegetables without breaking a sweat, or should I say, without overheating and shutting down. That's a common problem with lesser juicers, but not this Breville. It's built to last. But perhaps the most appealing aspect of this machine, aside from its juice-making prowess, is its ease of cleaning. Now, I've used my fair share of juicers in my day, and let me tell you, cleaning them can be a real chore. But the Breville Juice Fountain Cold Plus is surprisingly user-friendly in this department. Most of the parts are dishwasher safe, and those that aren't are easily rinsed clean. And let's not forget about the versatility this machine offers. Sure, it's called a juice fountain, but it's capable of so much more. You can use it to make nut milks, baby food, even frozen desserts. The possibilities are limited only by your imagination and perhaps the availability of fresh produce. But it's not just about the features, folks. It's about the experience. And the Breville Juice Fountain Cold Plus delivers on that front as well. It's surprisingly quiet for a machine of its caliber, and it operates smoothly, with minimal vibration. You won't find yourself dreading juice time because of the racket this thing makes. And then, there's the satisfaction of creating something delicious and nutritious from scratch. There's a certain alchemy that happens when you transform a pile of fruits and vegetables into a glass of vibrant, life-giving juice. And the Breville Juice Fountain Cold Plus makes that alchemy accessible to everyone. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Every rose has its thorns, and even the most well-designed kitchen appliance has its drawbacks. So in the interest of fairness and transparency, let's take a look at some of the cons you might encounter with the Breville Juice Fountain Cold Plus. Chapter 3. The not-so-sweet side of the Breville Juice Fountain Cold Plus. Now I'm not one to sugarcoat things, so let's address the elephant in the room, or rather, the countertop. The Breville Juice Fountain Cold Plus is a bit of a unit. It's not exactly compact, so if you've got limited counter space, you might want to measure twice before you buy. And while we're on the subject of size, let's talk about the feeding chute. Yes, it's large enough to accommodate whole fruits and vegetables, but there's a limit. You might still find yourself chopping larger items into smaller pieces, which can be a bit of a time-consuming nuisance. And then there's the noise factor. Yes, I know I said it's relatively quiet for a juicer, but it's not exactly a whisper-quiet operation. If you're sensitive to noise, you might want to invest in some earplugs or relegate your juicing sessions to times when your housemates are out and about. Another potential drawback is the price. At $299.95, the Breville Juice Fountain Cold Plus is definitely an investment. It's not the most expensive juicer on the market, but it's not exactly budget-friendly either. And finally, there's the issue of durability. While the Breville Juice Fountain Cold Plus is generally well made, some users have reported issues with parts breaking or malfunctioning after prolonged use. Now, this isn't a widespread problem, but it's something to keep in mind, especially considering the price tag. But hey, no kitchen appliance is perfect, right? It's all about weighing the pros and cons and deciding if the benefits outweigh the drawbacks. And to help you with that decision, let's hear from someone who's actually used the Breville Juice Fountain Cold Plus on a regular basis. Chapter 4. A User's Perspective. Real talk on the Breville Juice Fountain Cold Plus. Alright folks, it's time to bring in the voice of experience. We reached out to Sarah, a self-proclaimed juice enthusiast who's been using the Breville Juice Fountain Cold Plus for the past 6 months, and she graciously agreed to share her thoughts on this machine. Sarah tells us that she was initially drawn to the Breville because of its sleek design and impressive features, but she was skeptical about whether it would live up to the hype. After all, she'd been burned by subpar juicers in the past. However, Sarah says that the Breville Juice Fountain Cold Plus has exceeded her expectations in almost every way. She raves about its efficiency, saying that it extracts every last drop of juice from her fruits and vegetables, leaving behind minimal waste. She also appreciates the large feeding chute, which allows her to juice whole apples and carrots, saving her precious prep time. And she says that the machine is surprisingly quiet, especially compared to her old juicer, which sounded like a jet engine taking off. But perhaps the most glowing praise Sarah has for the Breville Juice Fountain Cold Plus is its ease of cleaning. She says that the dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a breeze, and she no longer dreads juicing because of the messy aftermath. Overall, Sarah gives the Breville Juice Fountain Cold Plus a resounding thumbs up. She says that it's the best juicer she's ever owned, and she highly recommends it to anyone who's serious about incorporating more fruits and vegetables into their diet. Chapter 5. The verdict. Is the Breville Juice Fountain Cold Plus worth the squeeze? Well folks, we've dissected this juicer like a frog in a high school biology class. We've examined its shiny exterior, delved into its inner workings, and even heard from a satisfied customer. So the question remains, is the Breville Juice Fountain Cold Plus worth the $299.95 price tag? The answer, as with most things in life, is, it depends. If you're a casual juice drinker, someone who enjoys a glass of orange juice every now and then, this machine might be overkill. There are more affordable options on the market that will adequately meet your needs. However, if you're serious about juicing, if you see it as an integral part of your healthy lifestyle, then the Breville Juice Fountain Cold Plus is definitely worth considering. It's a well-designed, efficient, and relatively easy-to-clean machine that can handle even the most demanding juicing tasks. Yes, it's a bit of an investment, but consider it an investment in your health and well-being. Think of all the money you'll save on store-bought juice, which is often pasteurized and loaded with sugar. And think of all the delicious, nutritious juice you'll be able to enjoy in the comfort of your own home. Ultimately, the decision is yours. But armed with the information we've provided, you're now equipped to make an informed choice. So, there you have it folks, the Breville Juice Fountain Cold Plus in all its glory. Did we miss anything? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from our viewers. If you're interested in adding this stainless steel powerhouse to your own kitchen, you can find it at most major retailers, both online and in-store. We'll be sure to drop a link in the description below. And as always, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews of your favorite kitchen gadgets and gizmos. Until next time, happy juicing.